Hey guys, my name is Dan Cassoni and today we're going to look at the harmonic minor scale. So what is a harmonic minor scale? Well, normally in your natural minor scale you have a flat 7. That's your flat 7 right there. But in harmonic minor we just bring the 7 up 1 fret, so we go. And that's what harmonic minor is. So it's a very Eastern sounding scale. And that's how it goes. Okay guys, so if you watched my other video on the natural minor scale, we went through where all the A notes were on the fretboard. Open A. We've got A on the 2nd fret. You've got A on the E string on your 5th fret on both these. You have A on your D string on the 7th fret. You have A on your B string on the 10th fret. And you have A on the 12th fret on your A string. So we'll go from your open 5th string. Now we'll go from your 3rd string. Go from your 6th string, we'll go back. You can also do it this way. We'll start here now on your D string on the 7th fret. We'll go backwards now from your 12th fret on your A string. And now we'll go forwards from your 12th fret on your A string. And you can do the same up here. And that's every position of your A harmonic minor scale. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit me a like